Unohilam barang ba jong ka National People's Party u Conrad ke sangma u loong ba kadai ka dustur jong ki garo badru jong ki khasi ba lalun lalo kim jubia ala ne bynthiew ha ka pliangja lajong. Kani ka jingkran jong u kadai ha ka jingalang ha Krang soyong ban pan jingkershan na ka benta u kertong jong ka NPP u ba samlin malngyang. U Conrad u loong ru ba kum unongilam jong ka NPP u ngej ha ka politics pan yatei om ha ka politics ka babun tang ha ka jing yakan tho bat ka jing ya beng.
When a leader leads, you must carry your people along. You must fight for your people, but at the same time you must respect others. Then there are many other political parties. They will come here and give so many speeches against the National People's Party. They will work with the National People's Party when it is convenient for them. And when the election campaign comes, they will go and speak against the National People's Party. Friends, I want to tell them, in our culture, in the Indian culture as well as in the Khasi culture and in the Garo culture also, we don't spit on the plate from which we eat. Please remember, we don't. We are good and we are kind and we work together because we believe in working together. It is sad today to see some of these leaders giving this speech today just because election is coming. I have never uttered a single word against these people. But it hurts me today when I hear such language and such divisive politics that people are playing. This is not healthy for our people and for our state. The National People's Party believes in uniting our people. The National People's Party believes in positive politics. The National People's Party believes in developmental politics. The Western bypass that's going to come from here, more than an 800 crore project, has been moved by the National People's Party. And we will bring this project to transform the lives of the people living in this area. Almost 80% of the Western bypass will go from this constituency. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the lives that will change, the employment that will be generated, the tourism that will develop, the farmers who will be benefited? This is the developmental politics of the National People's Party.